Hi guys, so I'm feeling really spoiled this week. I have another happy mail and I've actually had this for 2 days, but with hubby's operation and other things going on, I just haven't had a chance to film it. So it's kind of like torture having a parcel sitting there and not being able to open it. So I was really tempted to just open it anyway, but I like to open them on camera and let everyone see, you know, my little goodies with me. So this is from Rhonda Johnson, and Rhonda, she doesn't have a YouTube channel yet. I've been giving a little poke and a prod to get one going, because Rhonda, she does have an Etsy shop, and her Etsy shop is Paw Print Journals. It's Paw, P-A-W, like kitty paws. And I'll put the link in the description box below to her little Etsy shop, and she makes beautiful journals. She puts heaps of work into them. You can tell, like, she just pours hours of work into them. She uses all vintage items, not, you know, like photocopies or anything. And she's only just opened that shop, so it's quite new. So head over and have a look. Really beautiful stuff. Anyway, I met her on the Facebook Junk Journal Down Under group, and we've been talking back and forwards, and it was such a lovely surprise to see this. I wasn't expecting it, but okay. Sorry, it's a bit dark in here because I'm still in my PJs, and I've got the blinds drawn because I don't want to scare the neighbours. I look like a hobo. Okay. Oh, okay. It's in another little package. Oh, that's my address. That's okay. I don't mind if you see where I live, but I want to cover Rhonda's. You can stalk me, that's okay. Ooh, look at this washi tape. It's got little birds on it, has it? Oh, little birdies and roses. I'm definitely going to pull that off and reuse it. Oops. Okay. Oops, I hope that crinkling isn't too loud for you. Rhonda, did you do this because, you know, did you double bag it because, you know, I'm really unco on camera opening stuff? Oops. Okay. Ooh. Oh, Rhonda. Oh, there's a little card. Let me see. Oh, your writing is so nice. Look at your writing. Okay. Ah. She basically saying her 4 boys say hi to Clive, so they must like little kitty cats, and thanks for showing her the way to the Junk Journal Down Under group. She's really enjoying it, and I hope, she said, it's not much, but I hope you will enjoy it. But it is. Look at her pretty card. Really pretty. But what do you mean it's not much? This is this is a lot here. Oh wow. Look at this. That's an awesome cover, and I can tell it's old because it's got that old book smell. Okay, let's see. Oh, this is awesome. What's it about? Picture the past. 3 kings, queens, jacks. Oh, this is awesome. They're like little playing cards. The conquerors. Okay, I'm going to have to read this before I go chopping. This has got some awesome pictures. Thank you, Rhonda. I love finding books like this at op shops and stuff, but they're getting harder and harder to find. I think all the the junk journalists must be spreading far and wide now, because I used to find stuff like this all the time, but it's so hard now. Look at this beautiful, the Holy Bible. Look how pretty that picture is. Look at that. Look at all these little borders and everything. So pretty. So much to... Oh, there's a little thing in here. Stamp finder. Ah, Australia Post. Is this an old one? It looks old. What year is this one? No dates. Maybe I'm blind. But this looks like an old Australia Post booklet. My dad would be able to look at this and tell you the date straight away. He's got all of these, like shelves of them. Oh, these are awesome. Look at this. I love these sort of little booklets and that from the post office. Thank you. I'll definitely use that. And this book is awesome. So many pictures in here to cut out. Thank you. Okay, let me see this little bundle of goodies. There's something about a little bundle of, you know, things wrapped in string that is just so appealing. Like, look how gorgeous that looks. And I did see some of Rhonda's handmade tags and pockets and everything on Facebook, and I was saying how beautiful they were. And she sent some. Oh, look at this. See, she's made this herself. There's a little pearl there. Oh, it's like a wallet. Look how cool that is. That's so pretty. Look at this string. It's got little gold thread through it. That's so cute. Oh, I love this. And this is embossed. Did you emboss this? See, I don't have a big shot or anything like that, so I don't have die cuts or embossing plates or anything. Oh, and this is a little booklet she's made. How cute is that? And it's so neat. When I make little booklets, all the pages are different sizes and everything because they're all scrappy. That is so super cute. I feel like I'm going to miss a pocket. A while back, I had a swap from Peugeot. It's Pirjo at Peugeot Blues on YouTube. And, you know, you open it on camera and you think you've found like all the little pockets and everything. But the other day I was pulling something out to put in a journal I made. Actually, the journal I posted yesterday. And then I found another little hidden pocket in one of the items in there, which had some little pictures of old teddy bears and cutouts and that I hadn't found previously, even though I had been through the package so many times. And it's like these little bonuses all the time. Oh, look at this. That's so cute. Oh, it's got a little buggy on there, look. Stamped onto, I don't know if that's some sort of vellum or baking paper or something, but you know, that crisp, crinkly. I love that. I love little critters and bugs and all animals except cockroaches and flies. That is so cute. I love that. And I saw some of these that you posted on Facebook. See, this is book page that she stitched around and stamped and inked. But like, look how pretty that is. I love these. These are better than anything you can buy from a craft shop. Like, there's nothing like handmade pockets and tags, is there? And look at this. I love your little buggy stamp. You have to tell me where you got this. I'm totally going to go and get one of those. That is going at the top of my wish list. Now, I don't know if this opens. Oh, duh. Oh, this is a regular envelope that you've glued on top. I love that. It's like a little picture frame. This stamped paper is actually behind this top paper. And your little... This is awesome. I love that. This is gonna... If you ever send me handmade stuff, honestly, the video is going to be like 2 hours long because I love handmade tags and pockets and stuff. See, even these are what I like. These little things, just, you know, something with a stamp on it. Look at that. So pretty. I've got to make some more book page pockets, actually. I've got so many built up. Oh, look at this. You've got a little heart there. And I like that you're using eyelets and that on your tags and stuff. I must admit, sometimes I'm a bit too lazy to use the eyelet. Because, like, see, you punched yours. Yours are okay at the back. Mine seem to split for some reason. I do have a crocodile, but... I don't know why. Maybe it's the type of eyelet I'm using there. They're like the cheapo ones from the $2 shop. That is so cute. And there's a little pocket here as well. Oh, I love that. And I like your little circle things you're making with the string that wraps around. That's so cute. She's a recycler as well, and she knows I am. These are Priceline Pharmacy. Wow, how did you get so many? That's a chemist here in Australia, or I think in America you call them drugstores. But these are awesome baggies. Like, they're so good for journals. Actually, I haven't been putting journals in, baggies in my journals lately. I've seemed to have forgotten about them. I do have a heap like this. I keep them as well. Okay, and what else? I love getting things from other people that they've collected, brochures and junk mail and that. Okay, where's this? Bialliba railway station. Look, it's like an old style one. Where is that? Down the coast somewhere. I don't know. Look at the old trains. I always collect these brochures as well when I stop off at places when we go somewhere. Okay, so I think this is down in Victoria somewhere, is it? Mildura. I'm so bad with places. I don't know where anything is. Like, if I hop in the car, I don't even know which way to drive to main places. They're so cool. And look at the pictures on the back. That's why whenever you go somewhere, you always grab brochures, because they always have awesome pictures like that. Look at that. Denali Museum. Goldfields. Oh, this is awesome. I love stuff like this. And I actually even like going to places like this. I like museums and old libraries and stuff like that. Thank you. What's this one? Coles Licorice. Do you know, okay, this sounds funny, but I do save my, you know, chocolate and lolly wrappers and stuff like that, because I used to actually, out of these, I haven't made any in ages. I would make little pencil cases. So I would take a bag like this and use, you know, the blanket bags, they're clear PVC or vinyl. They're big bags that, you know, quilts and blankets come in, and I would use that to cover it. and I would line it with fabric, and I'd sew a zipper in, and I'd just make little pencil cases out of, you know, big chip packets and stuff like this. And I used to make them for a girl I worked with. Her church would have like a little fete, a stall at a fete every month, and I used to make them and give them to her to sell at the fete. So it was kind of raising money for the church, and they always sold out every time. But she went back to China, so I haven't made any in a while. Okay, this is something I don't get because I don't drink coffee, and I just buy the cheapo Coles home brand coffee to coffee dye my papers. But I do keep labels and everything as well. When I make something out of those, I'll show you what I do with them. Oh, these are cool. These are clothing tags, but these are actually cool ones. Look. Because they're stamped Lee Cooper. They're like jeans, and they're stamped 1908 on them. I love that you recycle this sort of stuff as well. Sparklers. What is this? Oh, this is, this must be where you live, is it? Where's your envelope? Dunno. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Okay, so this is, the suburb that she lives, down in Melbourne. Dunolly. District News. Oh, wow. We don't have a little cute little newsletter like this in our area. Oh, echidna families. We have echidnas here as well, but they're very hard to find. Actually, this is good. See, this is the type of you know, ephemera that I use, like real stuff like this. Tim Holtz, Eat Your Heart Out. But yeah, to me, this is what junk journaling is about. You know, stuff like this. You know, museum brochures and all that sort of thing. Make your own ephemera out of that. Like, look at this little picture. How cute would that look on a journal tag? Yeah, so always keep your eye out for stuff like this. But thank you so much, Rhonda. I love that you put this in. And Jaffas. Oh my gosh, I have not had Jaffas in years and years and years. And I love your handmade stuff. Like, these are beautiful. I really love your handmade stuff. I especially like these little buggy tags. These are so awesome. I love them. I really need to get this stamp set. I don't really have any stamps. I've got a few, like little butterfly or whatever. It was just an Aldi set, but those are awesome. And I love how you've done this. I'm totally going to copy these, Rhonda, and make some when I get my bug stamp. Anyway, thank you so much for your happy mail. I really, really love it. And yeah, everyone head over to Rhonda from Paw Print Journals. I'll put the link to her shop down there. Beautiful, beautiful journals. And hopefully she'll get a YouTube going soon. Hint, hint, Rhonda. And yeah, when she does, I'll let you know. I'm assuming the channel name will be the same, but anyway, I'll keep an eye out for it. If you're in the Junk Journal Down Under group, I'm sure you'll find it anyway. But yeah, have a look at her shop. She's got beautiful, beautiful journals. Anyway, that's it, and thank you so much, Rhonda. Thanks for watching. Bye.